I think Nelly's more on it. Whoa. Dead bird! That was majestic. Nelly, fetch! Nelly. Fetch! Here, Dre! Here! 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 Nelly! Nelly! Leave it! Here, Dre! Here, Dre! Here, Dre! Here, Dre! Come here! Good boy! Good! Out! Nelly! Good pups! What a beaut! Pretty young bird. Yeah, nice. Good pups.
After getting that rooster, we're able to find a couple hens hugged up against a brush line.
No bird, hen. Good boy, dude. Here, no bird, no bird. Let's go back through this just a sec. Hen!
My buddy Heath had an awesome angle of those birds flushing.
Oh, hen, hen! Hen!
Turning the corner on this field, Dre has a great point, Nelly has a great honor, and I end up missing the bird trying to shoot a little bit high to make sure that I don't shoot the dogs.
Whoa. No bird, no bird! God, it's right above their head. It's right above their head. I probably shouldn't even pulled the trigger, but I shot high. Here! There's a rooster, right?
Yeah, it was.
I thought so. Jay! Birdie. I think Nelly's more on it. Whoa. Dead bird! That was majestic. Nelly, fetch! Nelly, fetch! Good girl, Nell!
Good girl,
Right to
Nelly.
you, right to you.
Here.
Call her in.
Come on.
Meet her halfway, meet her halfway.
Come here.
Help her out. Nice,
Come on,
nice.
Go, girl. Hey, out. 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 Good girl. Good girl.
Good boy, good boy. We got it.
Oh, yeah. That's dead.
I hit him hard.
Hey, come on. You already did your job.
Nice girl, Nelly. That's a big wire. That's a big wire. I love it. They're too amped.
Now they're amped.
They have been the whole time. They're sent everywhere. Out of control.
Well, we already plucked 3 off of this hill. They ran in here.
Yeah. Here, got 2.
A About 10 minutes after we got that rooster, we cross a railroad and we have a rooster flush early and way ahead of us. The dogs go up and get birdie on this area, and we're not sure if it's the same rooster scent that they're smelling or something different, but we've noticed that Dre and Nelly have gotten to a point that we can start confidently trusting their ability to track and to know if there's a bird there, and we have to start respecting that and honoring them so that they know that we're behind them. So this is a pretty cool track that goes towards the end of it, and we end up seeing a couple birds at the end even. With Dre just being a year old, something that we've been working on is kind of slowing him down and controlling him a little bit more. He's got a really, really high bird drive, but the problem that sometimes creates is that he'll either bump birds or he'll be on a trail, and if he loses a little bit of scent, he'll run away from it and then come back to it. And I'd rather just have him go slow and follow the track. And we see him do a little bit better on this one. Much later in the video, we see him not do as well.
Whoa. Hen. Hen. Good boy, Dre. Stay on.
Pheasants often like tree line ends, but in this situation we have a couple birds flush out after the dogs point, and I'm actually not sure what type of bird this is, so if anybody does happen to know if these are quail or huns or something like that, please let me know in the comments. It'd be nice to know.
Hen, little one. I don't know. Hen, probably. I can't tell where the property line is. I feel like we gotta go this way. Good pup. Yeah, they're tiny. I'd like to work this at a kitty corner and then cut back over. I'll go left to you. Keep him close. That's Dre. Yeah, got him. Whoa.
The dogs bring us back around to an area that we recently flushed some birds nearby, and in this situation both dogs get a little bit birdie, but end up releasing off of it. But this is good training for them to understand the difference between a fresh scent and an old scent.
Jay. Hen! She was right in front of me.
That's what she was at.
Hen! Good girl, Nell. That a girl. Nell, Dre. Woo! Dude, this one, I didn't even see it. It was sitting in the middle.
No, they went on point back there, this side of the grove here. She must have followed that hen all the way through.
Yeah, those hens are walking a lot this year.
We could cut this middle. Cut.
We finished the morning hunt, and in the afternoon we added a buddy and a dog, and the dog is Wess, our 3.5-year-old German Shorthair, and we end up going to a couple of more fields and find a couple more birds. All three dogs flare on a bird scent and begin tracking. Wess holds the trail line and leads us to some great dog work and ultimately a rooster.
Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Rooster! Dead bird! Yeah. Dre, fetch, come here.
Good. Here.
Come here.
Wes, come here.
Nelly, come here.
Wes, close.
No, no. Or if you wanted to mine, I guess it might be easier than redoing yours.
Now,
I'll head in first.
Sorry, wrong hand.
on, come on.
I think what we'll do is go down a little bit, but then mostly curl.
Yeah. Hen, hen, hen!
No bird down, no.
Wes, no bird. Close one, some water. Come here. Come on.
Tell me you're working.
CNC guy. Right, front of arm.
Perfect size for 3 short hair snouts.
It's out here.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
there's going to be birds down here. They're all sitting there picking corn.
And now begins one of the longest tracks I have been part of. The dogs flare and work great together, but the young pups are eager, and that whoa training we work on fades at times.
Whoa. Jay, whoa. Jay, easy. Jay, come back. Easy, easy, easy. Whoa, whoa.
All that training we do is a different game once we get to the field with wild birds. Additionally, the competitive aspect of having multiple dogs makes it even harder again.
No, easy, easy, easy. Slow down, slow down. Whoa!
Now begins the mind games. Most birds will either sit tight or run and then flush ahead. This one continues to stop and then run as the dogs stop and go. I can't help but assume that this is not only a rooster, but an old wise one. You don't want to lose this bird by getting out of range, but you don't want to push the dog by moving up too fast on it. This is the game where hindsight is 20/20, but in the moment, you have to make choices.
Easy.
On the horizon, you can see my looming fear. The standing corn. We have lost countless birds on tracks to unharvested fields. With the heavy rain recently preventing farmers from getting the corn out, I'm concerned it is our fate if the bird doesn't get up soon or just stop.
Oh. Easy. Easy.
What works this time may not work the next. The drive of these dogs is incredible, and the distance and the way that they continue to track is inspiring. However, the spoiler is that this bird does make it to safety to the cornfield without getting up. I continue to review this set of events and what I could have done differently. I should have done this other thing, maybe. The reality is that we get better ourselves, and in partnership with our dogs, we get better with each hunt.